or miss? Battle Partners isn't my favorite set. What about you? Let me know in the comments. And
hit or miss Black Bolt number 4. Let me know what you think about this set in the comments. Hit or miss Black Bolt number 5. Tell me what you want to see open next in the comments. Come on.
Oh shit!
hit or miss? Mega Brave and Mega Symphonia are in EU September 26th. Which packs do you prefer? No luck today. Hit or miss? What kind of packs would you like to see next on the channel?
Hit or miss Prismatic Evolutions number 8. Is Prismatic worth it? Let me know in the comments. I am a mess. Hit or miss Prismatic Evolutions #10 today with more traumas. Watch till the end. Today's video is a must-see.
Hit or miss? Which set should we open next? Let me know in the comments. Hit or miss? Which card do you think is the hit? Let me know in the comments. Hit or miss? Which do you prefer, Japanese or English packs? Let me know in the comments. The artwork on this Pikachu is incredible. Hit or miss? Do you enjoy these mega packs? Let me know in the comments. Hit or miss? Will we have better luck with Japanese packs? Let me know in the comments. Was it one? I think I made a mistake. Hit or miss? What do you think we pulled today? Drop it in the comments. Hit or miss? Starting to like Japanese packs. What about you?
Nice.
Hit or miss Prismatic number 9. Can we pull Umbreon from these last 6 packs? Drop your thoughts below. No luck today. Hit or miss White Flare number 5. Tell me what you'd like to see on the channel next. Not bad. Hit or miss White Flare number 6. Tell me what you want to see open next in the comments. Seriously. Hit or miss White Flare number 7. Will we get lucky today? Let's find out together.
Hit or miss? Which card will we pull? Comment below. Hit or miss? Do you prefer White Flare or Black Bolt? Let me know in the comments.